have a friend, for example, who is an atheist. He doesn't believe in God. How am I supposed to have unity with him? And if that's the case, in what way am I supposed to have unity with him?
Imam Ali alayhi salam, as the one who is the Khalifa and the one who is the governor of not only his country, but you can say many parts of the world.
Yes.
At his time, he has a letter to one of his commanders, Malik bin Ashtar.
Yes.
When Imam dispatched him to Egypt, he has given him a letter. In fact, it's a kind of doctrine for him how to manage his Egypt and his country.
True.
You know, I always tell my brothers and sisters that it is very important to know. You know, sometimes we say that a poet has said these things.
Yes.
A poet who has said, I don't know, some place in a very warm and nice place, or in a mountain beside the sea, and saying some poem. No, he is the commander. He is the ruler. He is the best politician, not only at his own time, but you can say during the history.
Yes.
Such a person is talking. So it is so great. A politician, a commander, a ruler is telling these things. Imam, when he comes to people, non-believers, Imam says totally people are of two categories. He classifies all people in two categories. فَإِنَّهُمْ صِنْفَانِ. And Imam says أَخٌ لَكَ فِي الدِّينِ أَوْ نَذِيرٌ لَكَ فِي الْخَلْقِ. Whether people are your fellows in creation,
yes,
or your brothers in your religion.
True.
They are not out of these two. So if they are your brother, so it's clear that they are your brother, and inshallah we will later talk how should you be with your brothers. But if they are not in the same religion with you, if they don't, even if they don't believe in God, at least they are the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yes.
Because they are the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at least they have these little thing in unity with you, that you have been created with, by one God.
Yes.
Because of that, you have to know and you have to respect them in a special way. In fact, we don't, as a ruler or as a partner or as a friend or as I don't know, a classmate.
Okay.
Of course, we have a special focus on those who are believers, that they are our brothers.
Yes.
But those people even who do not believe in God, at least they have this humanity in common with us.
Yes.
Imam Sadiq alayhi salam said, and it is very nice saying of Imam, it's a very long saying, to one of his companions, Abdullah bin Jundab. And you can say it's the Shia doctrine. If anyone wants to know what Shia is, it is available in the book Tuhaful Ughul and also in other books. In some parts, Imam says you have to treat all people in the best way possible. And Imam says, look at the sun.
True.
أَلَا تَرَى شَمْسَهُ أَشْرَقَتْ عَلَى الْأَبْرَارِ وَالْفُجَّارِ.
True.
When sun shines, it doesn't distinguish between bad people and good people. It shines to all.
Everyone.
And when the rain pours down, it comes for all people.
Yeah.
It doesn't distinguish between salihin and khati'in.
True.
Between those who practice religion and those who do not accept the religion.
True.
And Imam says you have to be like this.
Yes.
Exactly the same notion that we have with Jesus alayhi salam in Quran.
Yes.
That Jesus says, وَجَعَلَنِي مُبَارَكًا أَيْنَمَا كُنْتَ. Wherever I am, no matter with believers or non-believers, I am blessing for them. And wherever, even if I'm not addressing human being, if I am treating some animals, some plants, he says I am blessing for them.
True.
So you see, this is the approach that a believer in Allah takes, even with those who do not believe in God.
Yes.